In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect PowerPoint presentation. Open your web browser and search for PowerPoint. Head to the official PowerPoint site or the web version of Microsoft 365 and sign in with your account so your work saves and syncs across devices. Once you're in, choose Create Blank Presentation to start fresh. You'll land in the editing view with your first slide. Let's set the tone with a clean background. Right-click anywhere on the slide background to open background options. Move your cursor to the background section and open the arrow next to Solid Fill. Pick a color that suits your topic and brand. The change appears instantly, so feel free to try a few shades until the slide feels balanced and easy to read. Now let's add an image. Go to Insert, choose Pictures, then select this device. Browse your gallery, choose a photo, and open it. To resize, select the picture and drag a corner handle to make it larger or smaller while keeping it proportional. Position it so it supports your message, not distracts from it. If you see design suggestions on the right, scroll through to explore professionally composed layouts. When a design catches your eye, click it to apply. This can automatically rearrange text and images for a more polished look. Next, edit the title. Click the title placeholder, type your headline, then select the text. Open the font list to choose a style that's readable and consistent with your tone. Adjust the font size from the size dropdown and fine-tune the color using the font color menu. Aim for strong contrast with the background so your title stands out. Let's build the rest of the deck. Go to Insert and click New Slide. You've got a fresh canvas for your second page. From the Insert tab, you can add exactly what you need. A text box for body content, a table for structured data, pictures or stock images for visuals, icons and shapes for emphasis, smart art for processes or relationships, charts for numbers, and even video, audio, or cameo to personalize a presentation. Click any item to place it, then size and position it thoughtfully. To add movement, open the Transitions tab and select a transition you like. Preview how it feels and choose options that enhance clarity without becoming distracting. That's it. Follow these steps to build slides that are clear, beautiful, and on message. Let's get started.